we are incredibly excited to introduce Abacum Intelligence, our AI functionality that's already transforming how companies operate. It's everything you need to drive operational excellence and influence decision making. This is what finance teams have been waiting for.
Multiply your impact with Abacum Intelligence, the business partner every finance team wants. Deeply embedded within Abacum and into every layer of your FP&A workflows, it connects your data, builds your models, uncovers insights, and drives strategy, all while leveraging natural language. Abacum Intelligence becomes an integral part of your team. Starting with data management, transform your scattered data and create a single source of truth. Clean, normalized, accurate, and AI validated. Abacum Intelligence detects anomalies, flags issues, and helps consolidate messy data from any source, all powered by built-in ETL capabilities and no-code transformations. No dataset is too large or too complex to reconcile and map, ready to use in minutes. Scale your business planning by building models effortlessly, without a learning curve. Leverage Abacum Intelligence to handle the logic, structure, and historical assumptions, so you can forecast revenue, costs, or headcount without writing a single formula. Planning has never been this intuitive or this flexible. Start every report with a question and have it answered in real time. Let Abacum Intelligence provide you with a high-level analysis, overviews, or custom deep dives, while creating dashboards that visualize just the right insights. Get all the answers you need, ready to share across teams. Great strategy comes from understanding your business levers, simulate scenarios, test assumptions, benchmark your outputs, and see the impact instantly, staying always one step ahead. Make bold, confident decisions backed by real-time data your team trusts. Abacum Intelligence is the future of FP&A and your new business partner.
Abacum Intelligence is here to transform how you plan, report, and make better, faster decisions. We are not promising the future here. We've already built it.